Hi friends, welcome back to my channel APS Updates. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, law of reflection of light. Before we discuss on this topic, let's discuss about what is light, what is reflection, and then we will discuss on what is reflection of light. Let's discuss on what is light. Light is an electromagnetic radiation that can be detected by the human eye, as you can see in the picture. Now, let's discuss on what is reflection. Reflection is the change in direction of a wavefront at an interface between two different media, so that the wavefront returns into the medium from which it is originated. As you can see in the picture, sun is the source of light. The light rays coming from the sun are reflected by a reflecting surface and then they go to the human eye. Now we will discuss about what is reflection of light. When a ray of light approaches a smooth polished surface and the light ray bounces back, it is called the reflection of light, as you can see in the picture. Before we move ahead on this topic, let's discuss on what is luminous objects, what is illuminated objects, and then on what is line of sight. Let's first discuss about what is luminous objects. Luminous objects are objects which exhibit light in their own. For example, here you can see the sun, stars, burning candle, and light bulb all are the examples of luminous objects. Then let's discuss about what is illuminated objects. Illuminated objects are objects that are capable of reflecting light to our eyes. For example, as you can see in the figure, the moon is reflecting light that is coming from the sun, which goes to our eye. So, here the moon is the illuminated object. Then discuss on what is line of sight. A line from an object or image to your eyes, that means both luminous and illuminated objects emit or reflect light in many directions. Our eye sees only the very small diverging cone of rays that is coming toward it. In this figure, you can see the example of line of sight. The sun is emitting light in many directions and it reaches our eye. Let's discuss about rays of light. Incident ray leaves the object and strikes the reflecting surface. As you can see in the figure, the sun is emitting a ray of light that is called the incident ray, which strikes the reflecting surface. Reflected ray leaves the reflecting surface and strikes your eye. As you can see, the red line which indicates the reflected ray is leaving reflecting surface and striking the eye. In this picture, you can see a dotted line. This line is known as the normal. Normal is the line which is always perpendicular to the reflecting surface. Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. Angle of reflection. Angle of reflection is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal. This is about the law of reflection. First law, that incident ray, normal, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane, as you can see in the figure. As you can see in the pictures, the reflected ray is not in the same plane as the normal and the incident ray. So, this violates the first law of refraction. This type of reflected ray is not possible at all. The second law of reflection says that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that is, I is equal to R. As you can see in the picture, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Now, let's recap on the laws of reflection. First law states that incident ray, normal and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. The second law says that angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, that is, I is equal to R. If you are happy with today's topic, like and share my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icons to get notification on new videos. Write your comments in the section below. Thank you. Bye.